In 1764, a raging fire tore through Harvard Hall and forever changed the course of American academia. The inferno wasn't just a disaster, it was a literary apocalypse. In the blink of an eye, Harvard University lost nearly its entire library. Almost 5,000 priceless volumes, some dating back centuries, were reduced to ash and smoke. These weren't just dusty old books. They were rare manuscripts, knowledge gathered from across the globe, and the intellectual heart of one of America's oldest institutions. But fate left behind a sliver of hope. By sheer luck or divine intervention, 144 books were spared. Why? Because they weren't on the shelves. They had been checked out by students and professors. The scattered survivors lived on in dorm rooms, bags, and study desks. One of those books vanished into obscurity and would remain missing for over 2 centuries. Fast forward to 1997, a librarian at Harvard receives a package. Inside, a dusty old tome, long forgotten but instantly recognized. It was one of the original books saved from the fire in 1764, returned after a staggering 233 years. The anonymous sender had found it in their family's collection and decided to return it to its rightful home. There was no fine, no scolding, just astonishment that the book had survived multiple generations, wars, and revolutions. It was a moment of surreal continuity, something tangible connecting modern-day Harvard students with scholars from the age of powdered wigs and candlelit reading. A literary time capsule had come home. The fire itself was a wake-up call. Harvard began rebuilding its collection, and donations flooded in from around the world. Even King George III sent books to help restore what was lost. Ironically, the disaster led to an even greater expansion of the library. Today, Harvard's library system is the largest academic library in the world, with over 20 million volumes. But in 1764, it was nearly reduced to nothing and saved only by a stack of overdue books. That one returned volume, 253 years late, stands as a symbol of survival, memory, and the power of words to outlast even the flames.